Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, Mikaela Space. I'm just looking at my hands because they look weird. But in today's video, I'm going to show y'all how I get my sleek, slick, no part bun on my thick type 3/4 hair. And I know y'all just see me in this hoodie, but one thing about me, when I get a new hoodie, I'm going to wear it to the ground. But anyway, as y'all can see, I just start with just spraying my hair. The key to any style when you're dealing with thick, coarse hair, you want to use water. Water makes your hair more manageable. It makes it easier to manipulate. And when I'm like trying to put all that hair in a bun, water is definitely the key to this style. Water-based products and just water itself. Now, once I get my hair to a certain level of wet, I guess, I just like to loosen up the tangles with my comb in the front part of my hair because that's the hair that I will be manipulating the most. I want to be able to brush it back and it get as slick as possible and flush to my head. Now, what you see me doing here is just splitting my hair in half. Another key when dealing with thick, coarse hair is doing your hair in sections. That makes the process a lot easier, and it comes out better, looking better as well, especially with like sleek, slick styles. So I'm just gonna add this cheap conditioner that I use when I'm doing styles like these. I don't want to use my good conditioner, and I'm just gonna put it on my hair as like a base before I put my gel in, and then I'm just gonna kind of comb that through as well. It also helps lay my hair down flatter with the water and the gel. So I start with my first half of my hair, and I'm just gonna add a lot of gel. I'm generous with my gel generally when I'm doing like slick backs or anything like that, and I just add it to the front of my hair. Sometimes I even do more sections than this, but I didn't really feel like I needed to in this instance. So I'm just spreading that gel all throughout my hair. I'm just gonna brush it back as much as I can, and then I'm going to tie that into a loose bun. Do the same thing with the other half, and this just helps me mold out my hair a lot easier in the bun. Now that I have my hair all gelled up and molded, I'm just gonna put it in the position on my head for the bun. I have a weird shaped head, so I would put it lower, but you would definitely see like 2 knots on the side of my head. You can see it now. So that's why I do not go lower than this, unless it's like a side part or something. But I try to keep like my bun in the middle of my head. You guys can go lower, but for me, this is what just looks best for my head shape. But I'm putting my hair in the ponytail. I have 2 rubber bands in my head, and as you can see, I put it through 3 times. But I have a trick to make it easier. I just take one of the rubber bands, let the other one go, and then I just use that extra room for one of the rubber bands that I grabbed to pull the rest of my hair through. I wrap my hair around, and then I just tie that up with an extra rubber band, and then I just clean it up with like some bobby pins and just smooth down the flyaways with my hand. So I had the base work done. I got the hardest part out the way. Now it's just like cleaning up everything. So I just use my brush and just brush things back. It's gonna be a lot of brushing. The brushes you want to use, you want it to be a hard bristle brush. Soft bristle brushes work too, but if you have thick, coarse hair, it will look better with a hard bristle brush. But here, I'm just like cleaning everything up with my brush. I think I even add more gel. We'll see later in the video. And you see I am like kind of swooping it in a certain way just so like my edges don't look straight back, and it just makes my hairline look awkward. So I like kind of swoop it where my temples are just so the hairline part can look less awkward. And another trick, I do use like my baby hair brush to like really reinforce laying down those flyaways on my hair. For me, I'm always gonna have a flyaways, that's just how it's set up, unless I use like a blow dryer to set it or like got2b glue spray. I just didn't feel like it. But like as you can see, those little gaps, I just take like my baby hair brush and just try to brush that away with that. And then after that, I do tie up my hair with a scarf. You want it to like be wide like that so it can cover the whole area of your head, and not like have one part of your head flat and the rest kind of puffy. So I'll leave that on for maybe generally like 20-30 minutes. If I'm in a rush, maybe 15. And then I take it off, and then that's when I start to work on my edges. As you can see, yeah, it flattened it out with the scarf. I like to do that because like my edges are easier to manipulate when they're laid down already. So I work on my edges and get that done, and then I lay that down again. When you lay it down again, it doesn't even have to be that long. Just, I guess, long enough for your edges to lay down. Now, I think this is the last tip that I have. So as you can see, I do have like a kind of uneven hump on my head, and I use bobby pins just to smooth that down because my hair is too thick, and bobby pins actually do help. It's still kind of lumpy, but I don't even know what to tell you, but they do work. Trust me, the bobby pin trick does work. Why am I laying it down again? I guess I laid it down again just to get it like super slick. And yeah, I think that's it after this. Yeah, so that was it. As y'all can see, my hair is done. It's slick, it's sleek, it looks cute. I actually like when my hair is pulled back the most. Like I said, there are little frizzy pieces here and there, and it actually will lay down if I use, like I mentioned before, the got2b glue spray or like a blow dryer to set everything. But I just didn't feel like it. But I do, why am I posing so much? It's awkward. But I do like to add like some accessories sometimes, and right now my go-to was a scrunchie. Just trying to find one that matched that hoodie that y'all seen me in already. But I grabbed the red one and it turned out super cute. And that is it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please comment below anything else you'd like to see from me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I thank y'all for watching. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.